Join us for a rockin' good time at our final 2 concerts of the summer. On July 11th, dance the night away with funk specialist the Hot Lunch Band. This electrifying high-energy band has been captivating audiences since 1981. And don't miss the Raising Cain Band on July 18th as they perform your favorite covers from the 80s, 90s, and current top 40 hits. They'll wow you with dazzling choreography, moves, and grooves. Breckenridge Brewery will be on hand with a variety of their awesome beers. The sounds of summer can be heard at the Inglewood Amphitheater at 1000 Inglewood Parkway from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. We can't wait to see you there.